Hi, I'm Akshara, class 7 from Ashtrix School of Robotics, Arumbakkam. I developed a project of automatic street light for Atom 2025 project in the category Open Innovation. This project is about lighting system turns on and off without any manual support. Typically, it's used of sensors only, and also I use the components of sensor, LED light, and 9 volt battery and wires and push button. And also this is invented by Charles Brush, and the automatic street light is used for save energy, reduce maintenance cost, and the conclusion of the project is to save energy and to reduce cost. This is useful for our future and our generation. Thank you.